check out the current state of my room right now. It is a cluster mess. Today we have to make 3 signs, maybe 4 for a school party. There's a father-daughter dance going on at the end of this week, and I was asked to create some signs. So we're going to do just that. Definitely a crazy status right now, especially with having just finished an entire collection of Mother's Day photo frames. It is just another mess, just with all the acrylic pieces that I needed to get. We just need a better system right now. So I think the first thing we need to do actually is to clean this room just so that it's like a little better. And while we're cleaning, we'll think about what our sign should look like. That way that should go pretty smoothly. We also need to get these painted. It's actually keeping them organized. So how many tripods do you think is too many? I have like 3 right here. 4. 5. I have like 6 in this room alone. I like to recycle. So whenever I buy things and they have like bubble wrap or anything like that, I like to keep it so that when I ship things out, I could use it again. But I realized that as I'm transitioning over to a digital product site, I don't have a need for all this. So we're just going to throw this in the recycling bin because we don't need it anymore. What do we think? We made good progress, right? I think so. Let's continue, we're almost done. Also have a ton of glitter. I don't need it. I'm gonna toss it. Oh. Now I have a glitter mess in here. Ugh, annoying. Definitely getting to a better place. We're making a sign. It's going to say, "Come on Barbie, let's go party." Since this is an event for an elementary school and in likely case it's going to be tossed, I'm going to use cardboard, and we have cardboard boxes that aren't folded yet, so I'm going to use these. We'll also use the white part, that way it holds on to the color easier. Our current obsession are these mini film Instax. The Instax Mini, this is a pretty old version. This is version 8. I know they have a lot of newer ones out and maybe even different sizes, but this is still one of the most popular ones. I know I mentioned this one a while back. This is one of my favorite little templates. It allows you to hold 3 of these templates at once. But I went ahead and I converted it over to say mom. I think this would be perfect for Mother's Day, and we're also going to change this up to be dad. No! We'll never be no! Let it go. Let it go. This is called sanding sealer. I'm actually going to put this on my wood because I don't want to prime. But I need some sort of primer-ish kind of thing so that it doesn't, when I do go to paint it, it doesn't just soak up and I need multiple layers. So the sealer is going to work.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella, stop your
Take a look at my sign. This is Come on Barbie, Let's Go Party. We're going to actually color this. So we're ready to paint now. Here is our giant heads that we're going to paint. We also got these big giant signs.
And little one.
Oh yeah, we got these little ones too. Ah! We're taking these all outside and we're going to paint them. I have a variety of paint colors. Okay, so here are the colors that we got. We got some gold and white. We also got this like hot pink color as well as this light pink color. So I think this combo is gonna be a good one.
I will help you catch that up.
Putting it down. Ooh, that's so cool.
Can I see?
Yeah, hold on.
Good.
So you give them what they want. Yeah, it is a different color. So we got all of these signs completed. And so now we're gonna assemble. Actually obsessing over this pink combo. We have the gold, but we also have this like fuchsia bright pink, and then this baby pink. It's going to look really good. I also had it sitting outside for a little bit just so that it dried, but I do see that there's like a little film of dirt, so I'm gonna try to get it off. Phew, it came off. Ah! It's not adhered to each other, but check it out. And the best part is this is all cardboard. But from the front, you would never know. Pretty close to that seal. We got a box. It's from Truflat. Right, so for Truflat, the plywood is fun because both sides are finished, so you don't have to mask them. Whew, that's heavy. They also have a new color out. It's their white 2.0. So this is their white 2.0. If you could take a look, it is technically what they call the pre-primed board. So if you were to create something on this board, you wouldn't need to prime it. All you need to do is do one coat of your paint and it will be just fine. So different from this, where this was actual birch plywood where it's not finished, I actually had to put a sealer. I put a sanding sealer on here, then I painted this. This one I could have just printed straight on, and then I could paint this directly and it would be perfect. So if I were to take a look, if you take a look at this, it's pretty flat and smooth. This is the 2.0. This is the 1.0 or the original one, and you could tell that there's like some sort of texture on this one. But yeah, this first one, essentially people were complaining that the white, after you cut it, and even if you try to wipe it off, it still had a little bit of yellowing, and so they went ahead and improved it to this one. So this one's really nice. You could use this as a whiteboard, but also it's primed, so you could use this to paint and it'd be no issue. So here's my sign that's gonna be sent to the party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. I love that combo contrast of the bright pink to the light pink and a little bit of gold just to like let it pop.
This amazing invention. Iced tea. I made tea and put ice in it. That was iced tea.
Whoa. Yeah, and my finished Barbie doll head, I think it came out really great. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me this week. And if you like these types of videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one.